How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, Creating with Sarah. So today's video, we're gonna plan out in my daily Petite planner. This is by Erin Condren. We're gonna do a weekend plan with me, and I thought it would be fun to use the Simply Gilded Charm Luxe sticker kit that I received. So if you guys wanna check out this plan with me, then keep on watching. Hey there, welcome to the channel. I'm Sarah. So yeah, I kind of want to use the sticker kit that I got in my haul, and then I did a little plan with me in my beautiful A5 vertical planner there. So I thought I would just stick to these because they're just so super cute. And we're gonna do a weekend spread in my little Petite here, which we only have a couple more pages left in here, and this will be complete. And then I need to set up my new volume and my whole folio and such. So most likely I'm going to set that up and share with you guys a full flip through of that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on planning. This is the weekend spread at St. Patrick's Day weekend, I guess. We don't have any plans, don't really celebrate it. I used to get really crafty, and when my kids were little, I would like do something fun with food. I'm always doing something fun or creative with food. It's just something that I guess me and the girls share together. So we used to do like shakes and cookies, and a lot of it is sweets. I think one time we tried to make bread, Irish bread. That's really super easy to make. If you pair that up with shepherd's pie, which is really delicious, super easy, it's a one-pot meal, I think that would be fun. So you could always do things like that. If you don't really celebrate St. Patrick's Day, you can have like a menu planned for your family and then something to do together. But I don't really know what we're gonna do. It's just been, you know, things are different. The girls are getting older. I think now they're trying to make plans with more of their friends, which is great. I really want them to start, you know, hanging out with kids their age, and just with COVID and everything, and kind of set them back, you know, making relationships or just, you know, getting out there. I think kids today, it's so different because everything is on social media, you know, there's not a whole lot. It's just so different, you know, from when I grew up. I was always with my friends at that age, and just kids these days, they're just not doing that. I don't know. You guys let me know if you feel the same way, if you're a parent, you know, of middle school or high school kids. But yeah, okay. So with this layout, I'm gonna, you know, white out. Well, sometimes you do and sometimes you don't. You don't really have to. It just depends on the washi, if you can see through it. I do have this grid here that I could use. Would this be cute with it? This is actually Planny thing. Use something different because I do have all my washi set. Hopefully you guys will see a video on this. I'm trying to set up my stash. So I actually could use these. These actually match really nicely. Or of course the new one that I got. Let's see. You can kind of see it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to cover up. It's my little washi cutter. I'm going to cover up these blocks with washi. Move this down just a little bit. think I'm gonna use the yellow instead of the orange. I have like 4 of these. It's like a candy, I think it was called a candy coated. I don't know. They're just 2 tones, so it's like, it's got like a opal overlay on it, and it's 2 tones, so the bows are the same color as the background of the washi. So like the yellow you can't really see, the green you can, the pink you can, or pink or red. The orange you can't really see, the blue you can't really see, but the green you can. But I do like the yellow. So I think I can do the green up here, but you can still kind of see it. So I'm gonna have to use the white out. I just hesitate because, you know, once you use the white out and you place your sticker or washi over it and you don't get it straight the first time, it lifts up the white out. Actually, I think I'm gonna change up the washi again, and I'm gonna use this Lucky Charms one. This one's really cute. The finish is a little different. It's very glossy of a washi than what she's had before. And what I mean by that, it just feels a little, it feels like a laminated glossy texture to this washi. I know that seems a little extra to say, but I don't know, it does feel different if you're familiar with Simply Gilded's washi. So yeah, not a lot of plans this weekend. But we always find something to do. Actually, I had plans to go to San Diego, but that got canceled. So, sorry, this is bothering me. I have like stickers sticking out and I just want to cut it. Okay, so I'm gonna put a box over where I did the whiteout down here for the monthly view. I think I'm gonna put this one like that. And I think instead of using a box, I'm just gonna use this rainbow to write the verse of the day. And put this box over here. This actually has a quote on the bottom. I may end up covering that because I do have the other washi that I haven't used yet. It's this blue one. I don't know yet. Could put some washi down here. Or I could put these clovers at the bottom. But I may want them to be throughout the page. So what am I going to do? I do have, this one kind of matches. This is what she released last year, but honestly, I saw her live for her stuff coming out. Oh, this is, dang, this is a little too big. I think I can use the other one. I have the 10 and 15. So that's the 15, this is the 10. So anywho, she has beautiful albums that are like this plaid. So she's kind of re-releasing this, but in like a sticker kit, a sticker album. This was the washi came out last year. She may end up restocking this for this year's release. I'm not really sure yet. I wonder if I just put the 15 over this instead of doing like something all the way across and putting a box over that. Or just maybe put it in the middle. And add the little bee. So this, I should say, if you haven't seen my other video, when I talked about this, I unboxed the sticker kit. It's the Charm Luxe kit. It has 4 sticker sheets. So you have headers, full box, decorative boxes, and then like little dividers, which you have a whole bunch on this page. So you have quarter and half boxes, some flags, and then you have these flags and checklist with deco and some icon stickers. This one, however, I believe it's still on the site, but it's just a sheet separate. It's a little deco sheet that she has. So I can put a little clover right there. A little clover right there. So we'll put Jasper on the 17th for St. Patrick's Day. Just put him right there. And then I'll use a little divider to split up this section. I'll go with this one because this one has like the rainbow and the little clover marshmallow. On this strip you could see it more. So I could have went with this one though, but this one's a really good sticker that has that pattern. And then I'm gonna put a box here actually. Just a little reminder for a meeting. And then I'll just put this fun decorative box on Rise and Shine on Saturday. Flags as my boxes. That's cute. And then I can use these to-dos. Oh, I just ripped that. I always do that. I'll put the other one on Friday. And then since I do have a meeting, I'll just use this really tiny meeting header and put that right there. Oh yeah, I was gonna put these down, these headers. So let's do pink. Oh, why am I putting Monday? Oh my gosh. I'm so out of it. I'm actually gonna switch colors now. I was gonna do pink, but I'm gonna do yellow. Oh, these are ripping really easily. But at least you know that these headers actually fit in the Daily Petite really nicely. I mean, you still have the numbers and everything. And I'll use these little bows down here for a checklist or bullet point, whatever you want to use it for. This one I'm skipping every other line. Usually I just take a dot marker and put 4 in here on each line, but because these will be a very tight fit, I want it to look a little nice, so I skip it every other line. I think that's it. And then I can add the rest of these decos. That's it for functional stuff, basically. So, yeah, we'll put the clover there. Let's see if I have room for this coin. Okay, I'll just put it right there. We'll put a star and then a horseshoe. I think that's gonna do it, guys. So again, I still have lots of stickers to use another time. And I have another sheet of this deco. I always try to buy 2 if I really like it, especially when she has it sale. I think I bought this when she was doing the 20% off sale. But yeah, I still have lots of stickers to use. I keep it in this little cardboard little envelope that she is doing because it makes it easy to put them away and keep them organized. I really like this. Alrighty friends, so that is my cute little spread for the weekend. I think it's super cute. Again, I love this cute little collection she did. Super cute and fun. Used a lot of washi. A lot of it is Simply Gilded washi. Super cute. Really, really great quality. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and have a great weekend. See you next time. Bye.